In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to embed Miro whiteboards in your Docsie books. Start by opening the Docsie editor toolbar at the top of your article. From there, choose the Code Embed block option. This action will introduce the embedded content placeholder block into your article. Within this block, click on the configuration icon located in the middle. This will open up the settings for embedding content. Now, head over to Miro and log into your account. Once you're logged in, pick the specific board you want to embed from your dashboard. Once your chosen board is open, find the Share button positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will bring up a pop-up box. Inside this pop-up box, seek out and click on the Embed option. This action will open the embedding settings for your board. In the embedding settings, locate the Copy Embed Code button and give it a click. This action copies the necessary code for embedding your board. Now, return to Docsie and paste the Miro embed code that you copied earlier into the Embed Snippet section. You'll notice a live preview of the snippet, allowing you to verify that everything looks as expected. If you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and click on the Save button to finalize the embedding process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.